Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you maybe a not so great unboxing. If you don't want to watch it, click off. But today I have for you bats and bubbles, and this box feels really heavy. So there's a little back history here. I ordered a box. I love Halloween. It is my favorite holiday. And I ordered this box because it is just supposed to be Halloween in a box all year round, revolving around bath products. And I was like, absolutely, I want that. Ooh, sorry you guys, my sun's going down. I absolutely want that. And I ordered it, and it took me forever to get the first box. And what I had actually done was I had ordered 3 months of this box. I had paid in advance for 3 months of this box. And this box is based out of Canada. Well, so I waited and I waited and I waited for the first box, and it never came. I finally emailed them. We went back and forth with some emails. I don't remember exactly. I did not refresh my memory on this before I'm opening this box. So some of the information may just be a little off, but the bottom line is I emailed them, hey, where's my box? Hey, where's my box? Hey, where's my box? Can you give me shipping for my box? They do not provide shipping for the United States. So if you are getting this box and you are in the United States, you're getting it at your own risk. I asked for the box. Where is it? Can I have shipping? And they went back and forth with me. They are not customer service friendly. I asked for a refund for all 3 boxes. They refused to give it to me. They gave me a refund for the 2 boxes that I had not yet received because they shipped the first box, but they couldn't provide any proof for me that they shipped the first box. And what I actually think happened, they absolutely refused to give me tracking information, and they gave me the runaround. And what I actually think happened is that my first box got lost, and I'm not 100% sure, but I think then, I can't prove any of this because I don't have tracking, but I think that my first box got lost, and then they ended up shipping me a second first box, and then I ended up getting it like a week after that. But they refused to give me a refund for the box, and I had waited, I don't know, it was really super late, over a month late, which is why I think that's what happened. I'm not, like I said, I can't be 100% sure, but that's the way I feel that happened, because I had communicated with them back and forth. And again, I feel like they are not very customer service friendly. They then told me at some point, because they absolutely refused to give me a refund for the box. This box is like $45 after shipping, close to $50 maybe. I don't know, it'll be on the screen. But they refused to give me the refund. After they found out that I had a YouTube channel and that I was going to tell my subscribers not to get this box, what I had actually said in this unboxing, and I stick by what I said, if you love Halloween and you live in Canada, I would say go ahead and get this box. I don't know if it's the same price for Canadians as it is in the United States, but I will say I do not feel like this box is worth the $45 something that it costs to get it. Again, that price will be on the screen, but after, and it substantiates that this box is not worth the cost, because after they found out that I had a YouTube channel, they decided they would rectify the situation by sending me another box. Why not just give me a refund for the first one? Like, it doesn't make any sense. So that tells me that this box is not at all worth what they are charging. And I will link my other unboxing of this down below, and you'll see those things. A lot of those things you could get from the Oriental Trading Company. You, as a customer, can go onto the Oriental Trading Company and buy these products. And I don't know, the things that were in there, you could buy them in bulk, like 12 of them for like $6 or something like that. So this box feels really heavy. I actually did not expect to get this box. They said that they would send it to me. Now, this was back in July. Maybe July? I don't know. That'll be on the screen too. So it took a really long time to get to me this time as well. But this box is really, really heavy. So I don't know if this is what everybody got. I actually stopped watching unboxings of this. I don't know if they beefed my box up a little bit because they were trying to make up for the wrongdoings or whatever. But anyway, I open it up. And I do think that the stuff that comes in this box, I think that they're cute, but they're not worth the price. They really aren't. So this is just a little sticker that, I don't know, maybe my son will like that. And then the paper is put together with a little sticker, candy corn. And then Basic Witch is the theme, I guess. Oh, and obviously they don't give you prices on here, so I'm just gonna start digging in. So the first thing we got is a pumpkin chai candle. Oh, that smells so good. This is such a sad, sad day for me. That smells really good. And then the next thing, 1, 2, 3. There are only 4 things in this box. 100% not worth the $45 or $46. I don't know. Again, it'll be on the screen. Too much. And the next thing I am pulling out, this is really cute too. Pumpkin spice latte. And it's soap. That's really cute too. And it smells really good, but again, not worth the price. That smells really good. And you know, honestly, if the customer service, because I'm used to being, okay, I need to stop bitching, but honestly, I'm used to paying for stuff. I mean, I'm used to spending money. And if I'm being 100% honest, even though I feel this box is way overpriced, if customer service would have been a little more courteous, I probably would have kept this box. I just probably would have, because it's Halloween and it's stuff for Halloween. And then there's 2 bath bombs. So this is pumpkin buttercream. I cannot smell it through the plastic. And then this one does not have a sticker on it at all. I can smell that one through the plastic a little bit. I can't really pinpoint the smell. So, that's it, you guys. I mean, so if I were to take a guess, and of course they get them on wholesale too, so that even, oh, it smells so good. You know, this candle, $15 maybe. This bar soap, max $10. So that's 15, that's 25. And then 2 bath bombs, $5 each. So it's 25, $35. So you're still overpaying for the box. And those are just guesses. Those are high-end guesses for what these things are worth. On the low end, $3 or $4 a piece. On the low end, I've bought soap like this for as cheap as $3 or $4. And I think that's about average for this though. 15 bucks for this candle. On the high end, probably 20. On the low end, probably 10. But again, they're getting things wholesale, so they are paying way cheaper for that. So again, you know, whatever this box is, the 40-something dollars that they charge you for it, it's just not worth it. I do feel like this box was a little beefed up from the last box, but it's still only 4 items. So I don't know. Again, I guess my final thoughts on this box is if you really, really love Halloween and you live in Canada where they don't jack the shipping up and they provide tracking information, I would say go for it. I think that these items are really super cute. I don't know if, like again, I don't know if the box costs the same for Canadians or if it's a lower cost because it is a Canadian-based box. But I would say absolutely not until they change their customer service a little bit and they give better customer service. At the very least, provide tracking. Tracking is so important, and I don't understand. They said that tracking costs more. I ship things all the time, and to get tracking information is so important for people that are receiving things, especially if you don't know them. You know, it's just a paper trail of proof that things were sent, things were received. And I ship things out kind of fairly regularly, and it doesn't cost me anything to get a tracking number. I don't know if it's any different in Canada. I'll ask my friend Candace. She has a channel, Shining Star Soup. Give her a gander if you'd like. But I don't know. I just think that to provide tracking for customers is very important. I think it establishes trust. And, you know, I mean, all they would have had to do when I said, hey, where's my box? I haven't received tracking. Then they could have been like, here's your tracking information. It's on its way. Simple. Instead, we went back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And they were just, I don't know. I didn't feel like they were very friendly. And so anyway, again, a sad day because I am sad that I won't be getting this box. I do enjoy the fact that it is Halloween based. And if people are out there listening, if box subscriptions are out there listening, I would really, really love one of these in the United States. You know, I mean, I don't know. It's sad. Anywho, for what it's worth, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. At least I hope that maybe it was informative. Maybe it made you sad too. Maybe it made you sad for me. Maybe it made you angry. I don't know. I always hate putting out negative videos like this, but I feel like you have the right to know. I feel like you have the right to know. If I have an issue with a company, because I get so many boxes, I feel like the people that are watching me are looking for boxes. And if I have a problem with customer service, I feel like you should know that. And so that's my bottom line. I feel like you should know it. I feel like you should know if I feel like a box is worth the price or not. You know, I get so many boxes, and there are so many boxes out there that are 100% worth the money. 100% worth the money. And I tell you guys that. But I also feel like if I feel like it's not worth the money, that you should know that too. So again, I'm sorry for this downer of a video. I'm probably actually going to be postponing putting it up for a while just because I hate putting out videos like this. Oh my goodness. I know there's gonna be comments that I'm gonna have to delete, and that just stresses me out. All right. Even though this was a bad review, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye.